let's go back with the storage elements. So actually, okay, now we're back. Let's go back to the different types of storage elements, specifically sa registers. So registers only stores a single value, and it acts like a single memory location. So it is extremely fast and expensive. So when we say extremely fast, actually kining register sa access time, when in refer to access time, naalang siya sa mga half a clock cycles. Pwede na ninyo siya ma-access, nga na siya kapaspas. Then there are several special purpose register that are used internally. Example of that is program counter. Kining mga example sa special purpose register, dili ni siya basta-basta mahilabtan sa programmer, because kini siyang register is locates the kaning asa nga address kung specific na instruction na locate na. And while for general purpose register, it can be used by the programmer. So kini siya pwede nimo ni siya ma-store sa imong data, sa imong arithmetic, sa imong mga multiplication, addition, etc. So pwede ni siya mahilabtan sa programmer. So also we have here a register file. Actually, register file can contain or can store many value. It is just a set of register, actually a group of register, register file. Each has an address. It acts like a memory, same as a register. It is very fast and very expensive also, kaya kung paspas, mas mahal. And kini siya ang example sa register file. For example, we have this set of instruction. Kini siyang instruction is in assembly programming, so that is understood by the machine. So we have here two registers. Dira i-store nimo ang mga constant nimo, like ibali mo niyang first nga variable, second variable, then there is R3 i-store nimo ang output sa imong addition aning duha ka components. Then as I have said, it is very fast and expensive, and it can only read one or two register at a time. And for those daghan na register, so it may contain 32-bit registers. So another type of storage elements are the memories. So under memory, so we have cache. It can store many values, and it is slower than the register file. When we say sa slower, kung sa katong register file sa akong na-mention ganina, half a clock cycle, pwede na siya ma-access. Kining cache, compared to that, ma-access nimo siya in a full clock cycle. And cache is cheaper than a register file. It is still fairly fast and expensive compared to other types of memory, when we have example later on. And data holds karat lang ha. Okay. So nabalik na ko. So cache can be categorized in two types. Wait lang ha. It can be categorized in two types. First is the data cache and instruction cache. So sa data cache, it holds the data kung asa ang program naka-operate. Then we have also the second one, the instruction cache, and it holds the instruction. So makita ra nimo word for word. Sa data cache, data, then sa instruction na yung ginahandle. So as easy as that. Then also we have, so importante na i-inculcate sa atong mind nga fast na siya, then expensive compared to other memory, which is kini siya. Fast siya compared sa kining main memory. So main memory, siguro kadaghanan na sa inyo nakakita na ani. So kung nagtan-aw mo sa inyohang computer, nya giabrihan ninyo, makita ninyo ning mga cards sa memory. Wait lagi. Okay. And it is very big. It can store a lot. It can contain gigabytes of memory. And so ganina, ang cache, it can be on chip with a microcontroller. So unlike sa main memory, ang main memory is outside the microcontroller, which is katong ma-plug and plug nimo. Mo na makita ninyo kung explore ninyo mga computer, kung kubian ninyo, nakita ninyo. Then it is connected with the CPU. Kung may tag CPU, mo na siya katong microcontroller and microprocessor. And it is connected via system bus. So dili siya directly connected sa CPU, or dili siya on chip but is off chip. Kung may tag off chip gawas sa microcontroller, then it is connected by a system bus. And kung may tag ang cache is full clock cycle ba? Full clock cycle, faster siya, pero kining main memory, it is very much slow. So kung full clock cycle kining main memory, pwede nimo siya ma-access sa 100 full clock cycle. Then since sa von Neumann bottleneck pa, sa kining main memory is very much lower than the microcontroller, and it slows down the program execution. So kanang mga programmer, as much as possible, dili ga program sa main memory. Usually naa siya sa mga kato sa cache, sa register, and kana. So para mas pas. And though kining mga storage elements nga akong gina-discuss, dili jud nato siya as in i-implement kung unsaon ni siya ang asang register and so on. Kay we will be sa kining course magagamit man ta og C or C++ or Python sa atong programming. So ang katotong mga complexity nga atong gidiscuss previously, ma-resolve na sa atong compiler and the interpreter. Sorry, pangit jud kaya akong agi diri. Charot. Interpreter. Kamo lang sabot, compiler or interpreter. Kung magamit ta og C, ang mo nanatay compiler para mo interpret sa atong data. And for the Python, we have the interpreter para masabtan sa atong machine. So though dili jud nato ni ipang deal jud, it is very important nga kabalo ta sa basics, ug asa ni siya, unsa siya, so at least natay foundation, di ba? Okay, so I think that's it, and we will be talking, I think, later sa compiler and interpreter or ang C or C++. Okay, see you next time, guys.